Marco is a field services director for a rapidly growing company utilizing third-party installers to scale his operations. Using CARE AR Experience Builder, Marco has enabled technicians with immersive, interactive workflows to complete work correctly, the first time. Installation capacity has improved uptime, first-time fix rates, and faster revenue recognition. Now that third-party technicians are better trained, Marco needs to focus on increasing compliance, safety, and installation protocols. Marco cannot currently validate if cameras are being pointed at sensitive information, and he is at risk for potential regulatory violations. Marco will use CARE AR camera capture to verify that the camera's visibility and direction are accurate during technician installation. In Experience Builder, Marco will add camera capture into the steps of his installation workflow. During the installation, the technician points their device at the equipment to show that the work complies with the step-by-step workflow attached in the field service work order system. Photos are automatically uploaded into the work order with the date, time and geographic location, creating a documented, auditable trail of compliance. Marco can now track his partners' work, identify top performers, and have evidence to support their SLAs. These analytics empower partners to optimize their internal operations, leading to increased efficiency and ultimately, more wins. It's a win for Marco, a win for partners, and a win for customers. Scan the QR code to see the experience Marco built. Join us next for part 3 of Marco's journey.